Bunch of tough guys. You look like a bunch of 5th grade sissies after a cat fight. You got anger? That's good. You're gonna need it. Son, you got aggression? It's even better. You're gonna need that too. But any little 2-year-old can throw a fit. Football is about controlling that anger, harnessing that aggression into a team effort to achieve perfection. Some coaches cut a player if they think he's not up to snuff, when they think he's hurting the team. This is a public school program. I will never, ever cut a player who comes out to play for me. But when you put that uniform on, that Titan uniform, you better come to work. We will be perfect in every aspect of the game. You drop a pass, you run a mile. You miss a blocking assignment, you run a mile. You fumble the football, and I will break my foot off into your John Brown hind parts, and then you will run a mile. Perfection. Let's go to work.